Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the origin of quantum mechanics. So what leads to the origin of quantum mechanics? Before quantum mechanics, there was only classical theory that explains the various physical phenomena occurring in this physical world. So this classical theory, later on when various new phenomena have been discovered, this classical theory wasn't enough to explain all those phenomena. Phenomena such as black body radiation, photoelectric effect, Compton effect. Such phenomena cannot be explained using classical theory. So today we are going to discuss about the origin of quantum mechanics. So first of all, we discuss what are the drawbacks in classical theory that cannot explain the physical phenomena. So the drawbacks of classical theory are that when the velocity of the particle is nearly equal to the velocity of light or of the order of the velocity of light, that is the velocity of the light is about 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. So if the velocity of the moving particle is that of t or nearly equal to that of the velocity of light, then the classical theory does not hold. It cannot explain the physics behind that moving particle. So the first drawback is when V is nearly equal to C, the classical theory does not hold. And the second drawback is when the size of the particle is of micro dimension, that is for microscopic particles or for the particles lesser than this size, the classical theory does not hold. So a new theory is essential to explain the phenomena behind this phenomena behind this. So various scientists have tried to discover the reason, have used various approaches. In 1900, Planck introduced the concept of quantum of energy. What is this quantum of energy? He proposed that the energy exchange between radiation and matter is the is quantized or is the integral multiple of h nu. So in mathematical terms, we can write that according to Planck's the energy of the electromagnetic radiation is the integral multiple of h nu, where E is the energy of the electromagnetic radiation, N is an integer, H is a Planck's constant. He experimentally found the value of H, it is about 6.67 into 10 raised to the power minus 34 joule second. And nu is the frequency of the electromagnetic radiation. So this is an important postulate called as Planck's postulate that leads to the origin of quantum mechanics. So with this equation, further discovery, further formulation of quantum mechanics have been done. Is still continue. The formulation of quantum mechanics is still continue. So this E is equals to NH nu expression is used. This idea has been used by other scientists to explain other phenomena. Einstein also used the concept of quantum of energy to explain the photoelectric effect. He argued that the light consists of quantum of energy called as photon. Later on, Bohr also have used this concept of quantum of energy to explain the Bohr's model of atom. He also argued that the atom energy exchange between atom is also quantized, and the energy and the atoms transition takes place between discrete energy levels, that is emission or absorption of radiation between the various energy level is quantized, as the energy levels are also discrete. Later on, quantum emphasized that the waves can behave like particles. Within the same year, in 1923, de Broglie also introduced that the not only waves can have the particle nature, but particle can also behave like wave. That is, wave and particle have dual characteristics. This is called as wave particle duality. This was given by de Broglie, so it is known as de Broglie hypothesis. Later on, various formulations have been done for the quantum mechanics by Heisenberg, Schrödinger, and Dirac. Later on, still continues, various scientists are proposing their theorem. Max Born has also proposed a probabilistic uh, interpretation of the wave function. So the understanding of physics continues. So the scientist work is to understand the nature and to govern the laws, to govern the phenomena occurring in the nature. So the discovery of the quantum mechanics arises due to the Planck's, which he has given as the Planck's constant. So H is the main, you can say H is the starting point for the discovery of the quantum mechanics that leads to the origin of quantum mechanics. So how does he find this concept of quantum mechanics while studying black body radiation? So in the next uh, uh, session, we will study about the black body radiation in detail. Thank you.